So homesteading is a huge trend in the U.S. right now, and while we don't consider ourselves homesteaders, there's a lot that we connect to the movement, especially around the intentional living, living with less, choosing a lifestyle that matters to you, that you can be proud of. The cooking, the canning, gardening, all of that is a better way of living, right? For us, a better way to raise children. Um, Creative. It's more creative. So it really connects well with Scandinavian philosophy of life. And so we have been asking ourselves, how do we get involved? How do we serve this movement of people that are so aligned with our vision? And so we've named our new model, which is a much larger model that we've designed for people to be able to live in, whether it's transitional housing or even long-term living for a very small, maybe a couple or a very small family. It's an extra 10 feet long, 10 foot longer, and we'll have an option to make it 2 feet wider as well. So you're almost doubling your square footage for, you know, in the ballpark of $10,000, $15,000 more. You've got so much more square footage than the Weekender. So super excited about that. But we're going to be calling it the Homesteader. So we've got the overnighter, we've got the Weekender, and now we're adding the Homesteader. The overnighter is 18 foot long, the Weekender is 24 foot long, and the Homesteader is going to be 34 foot long with an option to go up to a 10 foot wide. So super excited about that. Glad to be part of a community and help build community, serve that community at the same time. So we learn from you guys, and hopefully we serve you as well. Hopefully we inspire you. And also, if you're thinking about buying a tiny home, think about how, if you're going out on your own, you're going out on a limb already with a tiny home. Branch out and try an inspirational design, an aesthetic that you can really be proud of, as opposed to just going for vinyl siding and cardboard and all the normal junky compostable building materials that a lot of houses are made out of. Go for something that's more long lasting and more reflects this sort of new chapter that you're moving into, this new kind of lifestyle that you're wanting to carve out for your family. It's more creative, it's more inspirational. I do believe the world should be a vibe, it should be aesthetic. God made the world aesthetic and to be aesthetically pleasing, and I just love that architecture, the best architecture, mirrors nature. That makes me happy, and I really hope that it inspires you all as well. So cheers. Thanks for listening. If you made it all the way to this point, good for you.